What's up? It's your boy, NoodleNick. Welcome to my new house. I'm just kidding. They hired me to clean the pool. I'm just kidding. It's an Airbnb. We're reviewing a pool cleaner. Check it out. Look at this bad boy. This is the Ferrari of pool cleaner. You want to see what they had up in this place to clean the pool before? Check this ugly thing out. Trash. The pool's pretty dirty. It's like completely full of leaves. It's kind of gross. This thing's pretty awesome. It'll clean the pool, it'll clean the walls, it'll clean the water line. No cords, no nothing. You just charge it and then you throw it in the water, hit a couple buttons and it's good to go. It's got plenty of running time. It's just freaking awesome on paper. So I want to see if this thing really works. This pool's pretty big. It's got a really tall slope in it. It's very deep. I think it goes down to like 8 feet or something at the deep end. And I think a good amount of the debris in this pool is just in the floor. So it should be pretty cool to see. I hope it works okay. Let's take a look at the unboxing, see what all we get in the package, and I'll see you there in the kitchen. I'm telling you, man, this thing looks like a freaking Ferrari or something. There's a quick start guide, a little hook. We got a power cable. We got the full user manual, and here it is. Holy shit, look at that red. That's unreal. That's like a real car paint job. That is like the coolest red I've ever seen. It's like, I don't even know how to explain it. It's like candy apple. Dude, this thing is freaking sick. It legit looks like a race car. I love that. It's so sleek. I keep thinking about that sad little pathetic cleaning robot that they have in the back there from like 1998. Let's go take a look at this thing. Hold on. It's hilarious. Frayed cord, covered in ant, sun bleached tracks, control panel completely broken, doesn't probably even work at all. Anyways, yeah, what we're dealing with here is a little bit nicer than I'm sure, you know, most pool owners probably have. They probably got something that, you know, when they first bought the pool, they got one and then they're just like, whatever. It's time. This is what you're dealing with. This is 2026. Yeah, I don't really know what else to say, man. This thing's freaking sick. I think we're just gonna turn it on, gonna get it all figured out, and then tomorrow we'll clean up the pool. The pool is covered. It's just full of leaves and stuff, so it's gonna be perfect. Hopefully it can get it all. I mean, just by the looks of it, I have very high hopes. You're supposed to be able to just drop this bad boy in and it just does its thing, man. You can like control it from the app and stuff. We'll see. So yeah, I'll probably get a little bit more familiar, and then tomorrow I'll be able to tell you some more about it. So the M1 series, these are the really nice pool cleaners. Okay, a couple more things before you throw it in the pool. This thing right here, you may think it's a handle. I thought the same thing. It's not a handle. Check it out. It's a filter. And it's super easy, no clips or anything. You literally just pull it out and push it in, and it just stays. That's it. There's no like weird snaps or anything like that. So I'm gonna have it, it's on like full cleaning mode. So it's gonna do the floor first. When you're on full, it'll do the floor first, then it'll do the walls, then it'll do the water line. So if it dies in the process, at least it will have cleaned the floor first, which is the main part that I care about. If we can get the floor clean in this pool, it would make such a huge difference actually, because it looks gross. It says stick it in and then turn it to let the air out. See all the air bubble? And just spin it around and stuff so there's no more air bubble in there. I think I got most of them. Okay, it's a lot lighter when I'm holding it in the water. It was really heavy until I put it in the water. Now it's just vibing. Okay, I guess I'll just let it go then. Bye-bye. Have fun. Bye. So 20 minutes, you can use AI target mode to remove 99% of debris in just 20 minutes for ultra fast cleaning. You can set the AI timer to clean the pool every 24, 48, or 72 hours. Even when you're away on a business trip or vacation, it can help keep your pool maintained with automatic cleanings for up to 30 days. Dude, if I had a pool, I shit you not, I would get one of these in a heartbeat. This thing is so easy. I ain't trying to hook up all that other equipment they have here. Hell no. I love it. There's like, I'm just fucking chilling. Like, I'm just like, what should I just like grab a beer while this is going or what? I don't even know. Like, what am I supposed to do right now? I guess I could like skim the surface, but it's gonna do that eventually. I'm just gonna sit here and kick back. I'm day one. This is day one of pool ownership and I've already fully given up and I've let the robot do everything. Hey man, I ain't doing it. You can't, as a human being, you can't even clean those leaves on the bottom of the pool. You'll never do it. It'll never happen. but the robot will do it. Sometimes you just gotta let AI win one. And the pool cleaning, AI can have that. Just saying. It's doing perfectly fine down there. It's doing crazy good. I don't know what else to say, but I'm really impressed. It's just climbing up a wall right now. It's like actually cleaning that wall. You can see the gross like nastiness. That's what I think what that white stuff is, or like, I don't know. I don't know if this pool has ever been fucking cleaned. I'm gonna be honest. You know, I hate to throw so much shade at whoever owns this place, but like, bruh. I really don't think that the pool system like works at all. I don't think that the water gets like circulated. The jets don't turn on. The heater doesn't work anymore. The control panel that was there is like ripped out. It's just a hole there now. I really think this is just like, this is literally just a dead pool. It'll be clean. This is the cleanest this pool will ever be. Unless I come back and do another pool review here. I'm gonna have to come back here and do a robot. Whoa, whoa, he's a hero. I'm gonna have to come back here and do like a robot steam cleaning on this floor in there because their floor was disgusting. I'm sorry, Airbnb owner, but I'm mad. I'm mad that the heat didn't work because the pool is freaking freezing. I wanted to get in the water and like record this, but the water is freezing. I got goggles and everything, man. Okay, we're back. It's been cleaning for quite a while. The bottom of the pool looks infinitely better. I don't even know what to say. I'm gonna go ahead and grab it and pull it out. Once I grab it and pull it out, I wanna see how much stuff is in the filter and clean that. We're also doing a time lapse at the same time with the GoPro. I got an underwater case for it. I'm so scared. My GoPro is underwater right now. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and hook him up once he comes near, and then we're gonna clean him out. I'm gonna have to do some evasive maneuvering here. At least they have a super long ass pole. Okay. All right, here we go. Let's see what you pick up. They look pretty nasty in there. Ew, it's disgusting. Ew. Oh, it's like milky in there. Ew, 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 ew. Ew, 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 ew. I might get a hose and rinse this out. All right, I'm gonna throw it back in. Okay, bye-bye. Oh, he's just going. Man, I wish I could breathe underwater. I'd be vibing down there. There he going. So it's been maybe like 2 hours. This thing's been going. It stopped for some reason. So we're gonna try and figure out why, but it just looks better. Like, look at it. This thing looks freaking clean already. It's like, it's done damn near everything, I feel like. So I'm just gonna pull it out of the water and see. It's probably full of freaking leaves and it just stopped, or maybe it needs to be charged. I'm not sure. So let's pull it up and see what we can do. Oh yeah, this bad boy is full. Look, it took some of the freaking, some of the like loose blue stuff and all the sand that comes onto the pool. I got in it and I was walking in the pool and it feels just so freaking clean. Like, not just the leaves, but like the floor feels like, I don't know how to explain it. It doesn't feel slimy or like sandy or rocky or anything. It just feels like really clean. And I wasn't expecting that with how dirty the pool looked at first. Ready for that? Take a look. Ew, look at that in there. There's like hair. That's gross. Yeah, there's literal like seashells. Like, they have, I'm telling you, they have like growing life in this pool. And like all the sand, like, I don't think the bottom of the pool has ever been cleaned like since this pool was put in. All right, gross. Okay, so, I mean, it's still got battery, it's clean again, so I'm just gonna, I put it on turbo mode. I'm just gonna leave it on floor mode again, because there's, I mean, it did the walls basically, it did the water line, it did the walls, it just put in work. So I'm just gonna put it back on turbo mode, AI search mode, and floor, and I'm just gonna set it. It's still good to go, so I'm just gonna tap it and it's starting up. If you've seen the 𝐼𝐻 video, then you know what's up. We're about to strap a GoPro on this thing. I hope it works. All right, I think I got it. Okay, here we go. Let's hope this stays. I don't know if this stuff is waterproof or not. Only one way to find out. Man, I hope those bubbles aren't from the GoPro. Okay, so it's beautiful. It's done. Take a look. It's amazing. He's still going. I mean, he's doing a little bit left. He's still got the GoPro on, but this pool looks completely different than when we showed up, man. This thing looks freaking insanely clean. Like, actually, they probably haven't had a cleaning like this in a long time. Next time, pay me to stay at the Airbnb, you know what I'm saying? Look at this place. It's beautiful. I turned this whole pool around. Well, he did it. It wasn't me. He did it, but I mean, I don't know what else to say, man. This thing was freaking sick. It was super easy to use. The app is not mandatory. It worked perfectly fine without connecting to internet or Bluetooth or your phone or anything. I just pushed a couple buttons after it's charged. It cleaned the whole pool in one battery. It's still going on the first battery charge. It's just going, man. And then, like, it's nice enough that you could just kind of stick that in the garage and not leave it outside. I think you could leave it outside, but you know, it's so small that you'd be able to put it anywhere. I hate to keep calling these people out, but their pool equipment is all over the fucking yard and they don't have like any storage space for it. So it's nice to just have something small like this that you can just kind of stash away in the garage and forget about it and not have all this junk in the yard. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I definitely had a blast. It was an interesting video to make. I had to swim underwater for this YouTube video, so you know, like would be greatly appreciated. Thank you very much. I don't know, man. This place looks completely different now. So if you like it, it's the iGarden M1 series. Check them out. I'll leave a link for it in the description. This is the most budget one out of the M1 series. Just an AI robot pool cleaner. You drop that bad boy in after charging it, hit a button, and it'll clean your whole pool. And you don't have to do anything. You just kick back and watch it. Yeah, so I'll leave a link for it in the description if you're interested. I hope you check it out. This thing really did a good job, man. I'm very impressed, honestly. That's it. Like I said, click the link in the description if you want one for yourself, and I'll see you guys in the next tech review. Thanks for watching. Peace.